Hey, welcome back to another week of weekly outlook. First of all, we talk about DXY first. Right now we are trading in the monthly fair value. Um, any shift in weekly or daily price action, I will be looking for a short, but right now it's still currently trading very bullish. Uh, weekly on daily wise is also very bullish, so we're gonna wait for it first. For now, I think this buy side will be taken eventually. I've already narrowed down to a couple of tr- pairs that I'm going to look for trades this week. First of all is the gold. So on the daily wise, on the weekly wise, it traded into the weekly fair value. Um, a very bullish candle close last week, and followed by two daily fair value. The first one here you can call it as a breakaway gap, but I will watch how the lower time frame goes on, and then I will take a trade from there. Um, Typically, I want to wait for at least a 1 hour late lower time frame, but because there are two imbalance over here, I might want to wait for 4 hours instead. Next one is similar. Similar to gold, we have Aussie dollar cat. So again, last week candle closed very nicely on the Aussie dollar cat. And we had a daily fair value created. We have more sell side liquidity built up over here. It's not clear when you are on daily chart, but when you go down to 4 hours or hourly chart, you can see there are a lot of sell side liquidity over here. Eventually, this will be taken out, and then we can look for long after all this have been manipulated. Okay, so this is on watch as well. Another one that I'm looking at is the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. So looking at this monthly chart over here, we traded into the monthly together overlapping with the weekly fair value. Um, on weekly chart wise, we inverted this bullish fair value and we created another bearish fair value on based on daily, sorry, based on daily. So yesterday candle we had this manipulated once. Uh, Typically we want to wait for at least a 1 hour. Not too sure 1 hour has been really great. Right? So yeah, I think I would wait for maybe another uh let me see, probably something like that. This is on watch too. We have a lot of sell side liquidity to be taken out eventually. So this trade might not even happen this week, maybe will be next week, but let's see. Another one which was the one I just pinged in the group, something that caught my eye, which is this Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Oh, we actually inverted this daily fair value. I think there is still a chance for us to go back to this buy side liquidity that was built up over the past 1 week. Eventually, I think this long to ERL is not 100% ready yet, but there's no harm that we can take to this buy side liquidity and then come back down again. So I ping in the group. But I'm not taking this trade because I'm waiting for my payout withdrawal by Wednesday. So for me, no trade until Wednesday night. All is a daily chart. Next one, I will focus more on the weekly chart. So we have been looking at this pound Swiss franc for at least 2 weeks. Um, I think potentially we are still bullish. We drew out two possible scenario. One is the red one, which is bullish from here. I think we are going this way. It seems like it. So we can actually wait for, this is from last week, or maybe early week of analysis. So we can actually wait for this price to come back down to this daily fair value, and then we take along to the ERL. Or if this is a fake out, then we might see price to come back down to this sell side liquidity before we have a move up. Will possibly be these two scenario. Another one is Aussie dollar. This is not moving yet. Although we have respected this weekly fair value once last week, but it doesn't show any sign of bullish yet, at least for now. Just more sell side liquidity build up. So I think price, if we are still bullish, price might actually do this, and then price move up. It really depends on these two news, these two uh the dollar news on 17, which is Thursday, and also Friday. So the move wise will actually happen next week if we are bullish. So we just want to wait. That's all I have on this week itself. I've already went through once myself in during the weekend. So I will just be focusing the few pairs that I actually draw out. And then so we can keep this very short. If there's any question or any pairs that you guys are interested to look at, let me know. So I'll cover it in the next one. Also, before we actually forget about it, we also want to cover a little bit on the crypto. This is beautiful. Um, I put this in the chat maybe a few days ago when we saw liquidation to all this low. The price moved up very rapidly, creating a daily fair value. Although I paper traded, I put my limit on the order block, but eventually it wicked through the daily fair value and it pushed out. So this week would be crucial for us to see the continuation to the upside. If we have this weekly candle close above the previous high, then we might really see the all-time high incoming within the next few weeks or even a few months. I think we're still bullish for now. But comparatively, when I look at this Ethereum, this is very weak. So I'm not too sure about this yet. But if we want to take a long, I will focus on Bitcoin. Going back to a few of those indices, mainly the NQ, ES. So this played out beautifully. I had this markup throw in the chat last week. Um, this was bullish until it was disproven. Look at this ES as well. So nothing much really going on this because it's always bullish. I mean, for the past few weeks. NQ is lagging a little bit behind, but I think eventually we will see the all-time high to be taken. So I will throw in the chat here if anyone wants to trade NQ or ES eventually. But for now, no action for me on this. It's not too clear on the entry model, in my opinion. It's clear on bullish, but if you want to find a trade, we might need to wait. So that's all for me today. I'll keep it short in the future so that more people can focus on the content that I'm putting out. And thanks for watching.